both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way.
Another unit that's been viral on TikTok. I'm gonna give y'all the real tea on whether this unit is hype or after the break.
So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another wig review. So dolls, today I'm going to be reviewing, which apparently is a viral item on TikTok. I don't know. I don't watch wig reviews. What do I know? But I'm interested in seeing what it's about. So this is the unit I have for review today. This is an Ocean Wave M-Cap unit. Now, this is supposed to be one of those most easiest wear and go, throw in and go, head on about your business wig that they have out. But before I put it on, I'm going to kind of give you a quick rundown on what the wig cap is like to highlight what makes this unit different from the typical throw in and go wig. Not really sure why they call it an M cap, but I'm going to show you what the cap construction looks like. So this is what the wig cap looks like underneath. As you guys can see, there is the lace. This is a 9x6 lace. This is a dome type cap that has cutouts for the ear. It's supposed to lead to more comfortability. There's also 3 combs on this unit, 2 small ones on the side and 1 semi-large one in the back. For those of you who are not fans of the combs, you'll be happy to know that they are removable. So I think that's a pretty good thing. It allows you to have a more customized wig wearing experience. And it also comes with the adjustable elastic band. There is the silicone stripping on the elastic band that's going to help you have a more firm grip and not have so much movement. And it's supposed to also lead to more comfortable feel. So now that we know what the inside of the wig looks like, let's go ahead and throw this baby on. Oh, really quickly, might I add that your unit will come with an HD wig cap, an elastic band to melt your unit, and some eyelashes. So before I throw this unit on, let's take a quick look at the hairline. As you can see, this unit is pre-cut. The hairline is also pre-plucked. And it looks like the knots are bleached. I wonder if this is going to match my skin. You know, I'm darker complected, so a lot of times these laces will require for me to put a little bit of makeup on the inside or the outside of the lace, but let me try it on first and we could determine that. Ooh, baby, I am not gonna lie. This lace is blending a lot better than I thought it would, that's for sure. And this wig fits very comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and put that comb. I always tuck my combs underneath the elastic band inside the wig. That helps give me a more secure fit. I'm loving this. So far, so good. They got me. So this is the Ocean Wave curls that this unit comes with. The length of this unit is 24 inches. However, as you guys can see, it's curled. So obviously it's not going to appear to be 24 inches, but I'm sure if I straighten it, it will land to be 24 inches. Okay, I'm going to add some powder back to my forehead. I typically leave my forehead without makeup. Just because I'm not sure if I'm going to spray the lace or glue it down or anything. Well, not glue it down, but because I don't really glue my units down. But, you know, if I want to spray the lace, I don't want to have any makeup on my forehead. But since this is a glueless wig, a true glueless wig, I'm not going to bother spraying anything because this unit feels real secure. Y'all know I'm going to flat iron my roots. That goes without question, even though it doesn't look bad. Let me add a little concealer to the parting space just to clean it up a little bit. Oh, I like that. That has like a natural look. I don't like sometimes when I add the concealer, sometimes the parting space be looking like Moses parted the Red Sea. We're not going for that type of parting space. But this is this unit in its purest form. straight out of the box. So I'm not really sure what density this unit is, but it does appear to be a nice thick density. It looks very full. Now you already know one thing's for certain, two things for sure. I'm gonna add some layers in the front of this unit just to kind of get the curls to lay better, in my opinion. As y'all can see, I didn't even curl or do anything to this unit, and just that simple cut made the front of this hair just lay a lot nicer. So do yourself a favor. Don't be afraid to cut your units. It adds character, okay? Be right back. That's better. So dolls, this is what this unit looks like in a middle part. I'm going to go ahead, of course, I'm going to give y'all a view to see what the side part looks like in just 1 second. One thing I do notice about this unit, it lays very flat on the top, and I really like that. I don't know if the way the cap is constructed has anything to do with that, but that is definitely a bonus. Also, I am pretty surprised at how well it's blending with my skin without me doing anything or haven't had to add any concealer. I am, however, going to tie down this hairline while I turn it into a side part just to help give it a more flushed, melted look. And then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. This is all I'm going to do to this unit. I'm going to leave it in this side part. I am definitely feeling this. And I do love the fact that there is plenty of parting space, so you can do a deep side part if you want. You can actually go deeper than this. Even though it's not a lace that goes from ear to ear, there's still plenty of flexibility as far as styling is concerned. Now, as I mentioned, this is a M-cap unit from 𝐻-𝐾 and this is in 24 inches. I'm going to go ahead and stand up so you guys can see how long this lands on me. And this is their Ocean Wave Curl. Now, I'm not really sure if when you wash this hair, if it's going to just go to like a slight wave, kind of like how the body wave does, which is what I really assume it was going to happen. But I'll be sure and wash it for you guys and let you know. Now, I personally do like this new M-cap design. I like the way that it fits as opposed to some of the regular lace units because it gives me more of a snug feel. I feel more secure in this unit. I feel like I can really shake my head and do all types of stuff. Now, of course, I'm not going to go on a roller coaster with no glueless unit. Like, let's be real. Okay. Let's use our common sense, people. But like for everyday wear, this is definitely something that you could throw on your head and head out the door. I'm not really sure of the price point for this unit, and I'm not sure if they have a coupon code. But if they do, I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen. I'm also going to have everything used in this video linked in the description box down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Now, if you've been living under a rock like I have, and this is your first time seeing an M-cap unit, let me know what your thoughts is about the construction of this unit. And if you have purchased an M-cap unit, I'd love to hear your take on what you think about the cap construction. And the rest of my faithfuls, go ahead and chime in and let me know what you think about this unit as well. But before we get out of here, guys, I'm gonna need your help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. So dolls, I am going to try to get back on my regular schedule and start posting again Saturday mornings and hopefully on Thursdays as well, if my schedule permits. I apologize for the hiccups, but I appreciate all of you guys who rock with me. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'd love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check check out these videos. You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.